Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have forgotten what happened in a series or you are jumping back after a break, video recaps on Prime Video help you catch up instantly before starting the next episode. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use video recaps on Prime Video in 2026 fast and easy, okay? So first thing, open your series, okay? So open the Prime Video website or the application on your phone, whether you are using iPhone or Android. Select the series you are watching, okay? So for example, let's choose this for example, okay? So, or someone that I have opened before, okay? For example, let's choose okay, I think this one, yeah. So go to the episode you want to play. So for example, let's suppose that this is the episode. So let's suppose this is the episode, okay? So start the episode, tap play on the next episode, okay? A recap may appear automatically before it starts, okay? So watch the recap. The recap summarizes key moments, helps you remember important details, like usually lasts 30 90 seconds, okay? So skip or reply the skip recap if you don't need it, or let it play fully, so you're in control of your viewing, okay? So manually access recap if available. On some shows, pause the episode, look for recap or previously on, and not always available, but worth checking, okay? So this is it, guys, how to use video recaps on Prime Video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.